Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will review one big company for wood carving in Gianyar nearby Ubud. Okay guys, let's check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are in Gianyar area nearby Ubud. And today we will review one big company of wood carving. We call Taksu Bali Art Gallery. This is one big company in Ubud for wood carving. You see, there is all wood carving inside this gallery. It's very beautiful art here. This location about 1 hour driving from the airport, or about 45-minute driving from Kuta area. And location, this gallery is around 15-minute driving to the central of Ubud. As we know together, Bali have 3 art hike: painting, dancing, and carving. So Balinese, they're doing carving on the wood, stone, bronze, even on silver. But today we will explore how the Balinese they do carving on wood. So wood carving village in Gianyar. The worker on this company is very artistic. They not young because they already working in this company for a long time, and they do very detail of the wood carving. And today I will show you a little bit of wood carving in this gallery. Actually, this company have a lot of worker at the village, but this just like want to show you how they make wood carving. You see cow head? It's very big wood carving there. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna show like one piece wood. So in this company there is a lot big wood they making for wood carving. So one piece wood on wood carving. You see that woman? They doing for finishing on wood carving. Beautiful horse. No finish yet, but look already very beautiful. It's a lot of work, isn't it? Okay guys, clean your hand before you go enter the gallery. Okay guys, let's look what they have in this gallery. But today I just want to show you the outside from this gallery. Actually inside gallery there is a lot of thing for wood carving inside. But even in the outside there is also a lot of wood carving I want to show you. There's one piece wood, very big wood carving. Very high, isn't it? Okay guys, so this is Taksu Bali Art Gallery in Ubud. Thank you for watching my video and see you in the next video. Bye bye.